to Millionaire Logistics. So guys, in this particular content, we want to show you how we traded the audusd pair, which we shared in our content. You can actually check, we shared the analysis on the channel. We want to share with you step by step on how we went about this trade. And we believe by sharing this with you, you're going to how to actually optimize the analysis we share on our channel, and how to actually take advantage of very simple trading strategies and incorporate it with the information we share on our channel to get better trades and high probable entries and all. And that could also help you to get an edge in the market, guys. Okay, so as a note, guys, we don't trade everything. We don't trade everything all the time, right? So we trade we analyze the market, we scan the market, and actually take trades that have high probable possibility, and with guided fundamentals and sentimental analysis as well. So guys, ignore the sketch work that we have here. Let's go from where we started this analysis, because everything will actually be there, and we will be sharing with you step by step on how we went about this trade, guys. Okay, so don't forget to subscribe to the channel if you like the idea. Don't forget to like, and also we're actually giving out something. If you go to our previous contents, our recent contents, you know that we recently developed a tool, an effective tool that could guide, that in fact will guide you on giving you an edge in the market and actually having high probable trades. And guys, the broker don't want to hear about this. Even our brokers don't want to hear about this, because it's mind-blowing. We actually made a kind of hack that is kind of limited to the brokers we use. So we advise, if you actually want to take advantage of this, guys, all you have to do is link in any of our social media handles, Telegram, Facebook, and actually send us a message so you can actually take advantage of this. And guys, it's almost free. In fact, we're giving it out to 20 persons to use for free, and those 20 persons has to be within our geographical area, so you don't have to spend much on logistics to have this integrated on your trading platform. And guys, don't forget, it's Millionaire Logistics, and right here we're giving you the best that we can. Okay, so audusd, we started this analysis from the monthly chart, guys. Okay, so looking at the monthly chart for audusd, what we noticed was that we saw the price being rejecting this level, right, where we had a supply zone, right? The price rejected this level to around somewhere around here before we got in the trade, right? You can see how it is almost hit TP, right? We're there. Okay, so on the weekly chart, guys, this was where the market was. Prices are already broken below our moving average here that we have. Guys, you can actually go back to the analysis and see what we did, and you know, it's actually analysis and high probable entry and all. But guys, we had to be patient. We had to wait for the trade to actually perform. Now, one bad thing about swing trading is that you could actually be floating in profit this hour, and the next hour you're in loss, right? But one thing that we guide our analysis with is the fact that we have analyzed on a larger time frame, right? And we actually have a cause to believe that this market is heading in a particular direction, right, from the higher time frame. So regardless of what happens on the lower time frame, guys, we just ignore and wait for the trade to actually give us what we expect of it to give us, right? And that's what we share with you now. It doesn't have to be perfect to make sense. It doesn't have to be exactly as planned, but we want to get a sentimental bias and a high probable direction of the market, and then we want to lay out trades in direction. So a whole lot of details were shared in the analysis as to how we got the zones here. However, guys, the price didn't actually get, okay, we see 1 hour mitigated zone here. So okay, the price actually got into the zone. So let's see what happened as the market started, right? So the market started at this level, guys. Okay, this was on the 22nd, right? So we're expecting the market to actually enter this level here, what we're expecting was price to actually come down here and react to this level, go up, react to this zone, and head down to take profit, right? But guys, you know that this market was like a pre-analysis. We gave this analysis over the weekend, and we expect that you also incorporate some form of, you know, techniques and common sense, you know, after getting the directional bias, and to, you know, take advantage of it in the live market. So we're going to share with you a very simple pattern on how we enter this trade, right, on this analysis. So this is what we did. Okay, so when the market opened, guys, the market actually started. This is Monday 25th, right? The market started here, so permit me to use this. Okay, so this is the vertical line. Okay, so this was Monday, right, where the market started, right? The market started on Monday, right? Okay, so on Monday, what we noticed was that the market was very much bullish. In fact, was very much bearish, and it came into that zone. It didn't even go, react. We're expecting maybe the first 4 hours to come into the zone and react that, but as you can see down here, it broke the level, right? It broke the level, right? So on Tuesday, the market actually retraced to this level, right, and came down. Yeah, I'm going to share you the trick. Okay, this is what exactly happened, and this is how we entered the market, right? So we went on our weekly chart as the market opened on Monday. This is a simple technique I'm going to show you, and it's not for everybody. So if you show it, if you actually come by this analysis and watch this point, guys, except out of love, you don't have to show your friends, right? It's a golden strategy that we're going to show you right now. We're going to share with you. And guys, if it works for you, don't forget to leave the feedback, because as we use, and everybody actually gets a piece of the pie from the Forex market. We're happy, you happy, and everyone is happy, right? Okay, fine. So guys, don't forget to leave credit. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel. Don't forget to like us. Don't forget to recommend Millionaire Logistics, right? Okay, so this is what we did, right? This is a previous low, right? This is the previous week, right? And this is the lowest price that the price actually got to. Now this is one, the lowest price the price actually got to, right? And then the highest price of the previous week, right? We have that here. Doesn't matter, it doesn't have to be that perfect. Where now, guys, you also need to know that for you to get this rightly, first of all, you must have determined the most probable direction of the trend, which we already did in the analysis. So what we are after here for this section, what we want to do here is to find possible entry, especially when the market leaves without us, right? On a Monday. Okay, so we go up to the daily chart, right? Now the daily chart here, this is the previous week. We've gotten this. This is the previous week, right? So at this point, guys, do you mind if I remove some of this so we don't have this very rowdy chart? You already know that the market has gotten to this point, right? You could actually trend down to the downside. You could, price could actually go further to the downside, right? Remember that NFP is coming up. NFP is coming up on the 6th of May. But before NFP comes up on the 6th of May, we may be getting some kind of signals, because we may be getting initial job reports are already out that we're discussing fundamentals. Initial job reports are from the USD, and things seem to be not moving, right? It seems to be almost the same as the expected price. The expected numbers there is quite the same as the forecasted numbers. So there's really nothing much difference. There's no more change in that regard. But then the NFP reports, it's something that may blow everybody's minds out, but till then, okay? So now 2 ways, right? So on Monday, right, we have here, this is Monday 25th, and we also have to time what the highest price that the Monday made. Okay, so we have here, this was the highest point for Monday, the highest price for Monday, right? So this is what we want to achieve here, guys. This is what we want to achieve here. Regardless of what we're doing, right, we want to take a price level close to this area. We want to take a price level that's close to this area so our stop loss can be above it. However, if price actually breaks this level here, we're still bearish, right? Till price breaks this level, that's when we change our sentimental bias. But then this is the key thing now. This is where the magic is on the 4-hour. I'm going to show you. On the 4-hour, that's where the magic is, right? Now, if you look at the 4-hour chart here, like we shared in our analysis for this week, right? That's the odd yen analysis, guys. We taught most of these things. So guys, you have to check it out. You have to check it out, right? It's a must. You must watch that video. You have to check it out, right? It's a 24 minutes content, but it doesn't just contain analysis, right? It doesn't just contain weekly forex market analysis as always. But this time around, we actually broke down a lot of things. We shared a very simple strategy. In fact, a couple of strategies were integrated into one strategy for you to get not just one thing, for you to actually get direction of the trend, to get that almost the highest probability and direction of the trend, and to actually get entries and a whole lot, guys. Okay, so right here, this is what I want to look at on the 4-hour chart, like I always say. So levels where the price will actually reverse. Before then, guys, may I take this out because it makes me feel like I'm still on the weekly chart. Okay, let me also take this out so we have almost a clean chart. Okay, cool. So we have a clean chart right here. Where's my moving average? Oh, cool. What the? Okay. So so we have a very clean chart here. Okay, so this is what we want to look at now. Looking at this chart now, right, we already know that the market has been in a downtrend. You can see the range here, broke here and here. Now we have a playground, right? So where's the most likely probability that this market may likely react to continue in its downtrend? Now we come to the smart money concept. So the smart money concept here is very simple. We're looking for an impulsive candle move and a kind of rest in the market. That we want to see bearish candles. You see bearish candles here, you see a green candle, a bull candle, and you see continuation. So that could be an area to watch. You have one here. So when it comes to this area, guys, this is what I like to do. I like to take so I like to cater for here, and also I like to cater for the low of the week, the previous week, right? Okay, so something like this. Now price is not react to this point, right? Because this level on the 4-hour, guys, we discussed about it too in that particular analysis, right? This level just broke a structure kind of here. So the most probable area where the market reacted to was here, and you can see how it reacted. The green candle before the last green candle, you know, after this more green candle, and you see that thing first around here. The price reacted around that area to actually come further. So right here we have this to be this area here where we cater for everything around here. So now it doesn't have to be that perfect, remember. So on Tuesday, this was exactly what we did. Now guys, don't forget, I do have a little group. There's a little group of like-minded traders, guys. That section is not for everyone, just for very few persons, not more than 4, right, that there. And we actually look at this pair together and audusd odd card together, and during the market, right, we are still were discussing. And for me on Monday, I still entered the market here, but on a day trading perspective, right? So I actually closed my trade at the end of the day and then let the market actually do what the market does. So this is the 4-hour, guys. When the market actually got to this area and I saw that the market is actually printing a kind of scenario here, guys, this is what I did. Swing trader, guys, this is what I did. I entered the market around here, and then I set my stop loss around here as always. Okay, so this is exactly what I had, right? To be very honest with you, this is the kind of trade condition that I had. In fact, I did not even place a stop loss, honestly, because I was quite confident that this market was actually going where I was expecting. So I didn't place a stop loss or a take profit. What I just did was go, if I were to place a stop loss and a take profit, guys, I would have something like this. Why is this not moving? Okay, it's not moving. I have to take it out, right? Put it again. But if I were to place a stop loss and a take profit, this is exactly what I'll have. I'll go down to my area, to where I'm expecting this market to be to, and I'll place my stop loss somewhere around here. No jokes. Somewhere above this level, right? Somewhere above here. I'll have something like this, right? So I hope you've learned something or two, right? So the lowest point first, where the week closed, like the lowest price of the previous week, right? That's the week we have not seen here. The lowest price of the week, right? And then the highest price of that particular week, which should be here, right? And then we come to our daily time frame, and then on Monday when the market opens. Now this strategy entails that you don't trade on Monday. So on Monday, the highest price that the market made on Monday. Before then, guys, you must have confirmed that the directional bias of the market is actually in a preferred direction, a bullish bias or a bearish bias. Now when this kind of conditions change in a bullish bias setting, that means the reverse of what we do here is what you're going to do. So highest, lowest, and all that, right? Okay, so on Monday, guys, the market actually did this. Now on Tuesday, we're expecting that Tuesday is a very volatile market, right? Tuesday is a very volatile time. Now I don't really want to discuss about details about best trading days and all that, right? Because as we move further, right, as we progress, we're gonna be uncovering more details and sharing more details there with you guys. Okay, so on Tuesday, the market actually did what the market does. Right? So it was more like an emotional thing, guys. If you look at the screen, you'll be seeing multiple entries everywhere because I was just stacking and stacking and stacking, right? So the market came downwards, right? And somewhere around when I was seeing this kind of moves, though, I actually broke even and even closed some profit. So I was actually taking out in profit. And then I entered the market again when I confirmed. I think I entered the market somewhere around here again. And then somewhere around here. And I didn't really cater much for this Friday move much. I think I entered the market USD. I left the market somewhere around here totally. Right? Because I was on audusd and audcard at the same time. But guys, I hope that this simple strategy makes sense to you. If it does, guys, leave a thumbs up in the comment section. We actually appreciate that. And don't forget, guys, if you've been benefiting from our trades analysis in some way or the other, guys, it's okay to leave a review on our official Facebook page. On Facebook, we have a page on Facebook, Millionaire Logistics on Facebook, guys. You have the link. There's a link in the comment section to all our social media platforms. And remember, guys, you can actually trade with a recommended broker using our broker, right? The link is also in the comment section, and it comes with some form of benefits. In fact, it comes with exclusive benefits, which includes having our trading tool for free. That means you should have a system. We're already giving that out to 20 persons who are residents in Port Harcourt, Nigeria, right, for free. That means you make contact with us, we'll link up and actually tell you how this thing works. You're going to be in a mentorship, kind of. It's not really mentorship, guys, but in a very close Telegram group where we'll be having regular meetings, right? And using this tool to actually analyze the market too as well. Incorporated with other fundamental analysis that we share from time to time, which we're going to share with you. And a whole lot of things, sentimental analysis and how it works, price action, and how we incorporated everything, built everything into a very simple and straightforward tool system to actually use. And then the spicy thing about it is that it's not just the market, it's not like every other tool out there. It's we got some hack off a liquidity provider. Your broker doesn't want to know that. Even my broker, our broker doesn't want to know about that. So we're not spilling everything out for free, guys. We're not spilling anything out, guys. It's just for the back end. Okay, so that's all the USD analysis, guys, and this is exactly how the trade played out. So we're actually expecting further down moves in the old USD because we want to see this low actually taken out. Because the first time the price reacted off here, so we want to see this low actually taken out. We believe that the old USD could actually be in a bearish trend. So if the fundamentals of USD comes out, if the NFP results actually show some strength in the USD, we may likely break this level. However, if it doesn't, guys, we may likely see old USD move to the upside a little bit before continuing this downtrend. So guys, this is exactly how old USD played out, guys. If you're patient enough, guys, you can head on to the next video and let's see how audcard, which we shared with old USD, played out. We're still going to be sharing some more details in that content. Thank you.